We will guide you through how to make seamless loop video in Movavi Video Editor. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure that Movavi Video Editor is already installed on your device. Double-click the Movavi Video Editor icon to open the program. After the application launches, click File Import in the upper left corner of the interface. Then click the Add Files button to browse your computer for media files. Select 2 videos that will be used as examples in this tutorial, then click the Open button to continue. Once the videos are imported successfully, they will appear in the Project Files panel and will be ready for editing. Drag and drop both videos onto the timeline section. Next, rearrange the clips so the video with more movement is placed at the beginning, helping the loop appear smoother when it repeats. Split the first video into 2 parts on the timeline at a suitable point in the clip. After splitting the video, move the first section of the clip to the end of the timeline so the playback order is rearranged. Next, click the Transitions menu on the left side of the interface. From the available categories, select the basic category to display the standard transition effects. Scroll down until you find the fade to black transition. Drag and drop the fade to black transition onto the timeline twice, so each connection between the clips has its own transition. Set the duration of the first transition to 1 second to create a smooth blend between the connected clips. Then set the duration of the second transition to 1 second. Move the timeline playhead back to the beginning of the video to prepare for playback. Click the full screen icon to enlarge the preview window. Click the play button to preview the final result, and check that the transitions blend smoothly and the rearranged clips play naturally.